Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss these two important integrals, right? And here we are going to write down the values of these two integrals by using a direct result, right? So let us see how we can write the values of these two integrals directly with the help of a known result. Now let us first observe these two integrals, right? So now if we write the general integral, then we can write 0 to pi. Here the limits are from 0 to pi. So the lower limit is 0, the upper limit is pi, and the integrand is 1 over a plus b times cosine of x, right? So we can now easily see that these two integrals resembles this integral, right? And here there is one condition, that is a square must be greater than b square, right? Okay, so the direct value of this integral can be written as pi divided by the square root of the difference of a square and b square. So here we'll write a square minus b square. So now we can easily find out the values of these two integrals. Now we'll take the first one. If we compare this integral with this one, then the value of a is 5 and b is 4, right? And obviously a is greater than b, that is a square is greater than b square. So the direct value of this integral is pi divided by square root of 5 square minus 4 square, and here we have pi divided by 25 minus 16, that is pi over square root of 9, that is equal to pi over 3, right? Now let us consider the second integral. So now if we compare this integral with this one, then we have the value of a is equal to 3 and the value of b is equal to 2, right? And obviously here a square is greater than b square because 3 square is greater than 2 square. So the direct value is pi divided by square root of 3 square minus 2 square, right? So this is equal to pi divided by 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So this is pi divided by square root of 5, right? Let us consider one more example, right? So here we have 0 to pi dx over 2 plus cosine x, right? So now if we compare this integral with this one, here we have the coefficient of cosine of x is 1. So a is 2 and b is 1. And obviously 2 square is greater than 1 square. So the direct value of this integral is pi divided by square root of a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus 1 square. So this is pi divided by 4 minus 1. So this is pi divided by square root of 3, right?